Unit 16, Chapter 6. Hello to all. We will today do Chapter 6, Unit 16 of Gregg Shorthand book Anniversary Edition. It is on blended lesson is about blended consonants. 133. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful. Thank you. There is blend. And blend is like this. And blend is like this. And okay, let's start. 135 word drill. Bond, B-O-N-D, bond. Print, P-R-E-N-T, print. P-R-E-N-T, print. Planned, P-L-A-N-D, planned. P-L-E-N-T-E, plenty. Now we have band, B-A-N-D, band. Prompt, P-R-M-T, prompt. Blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind. Apparent, A-P-R-N-T, A-P-R-N-T, apparent. Prevent, P-R-E-V-N-T, prevent. Owned, O-N-D, owned. Rent, land. Around, A-R-N-D, around. Entry, Indian. Empty, refund. Laundry, joint. Sound, and then we have found, and then we have sent. Seemed, second. Fastened, signed. Event, front, framed, exempt, EXEMT, exempt. Count, gained. Next is grant, convent, ground, trimmed, strained. Winter, NVNTR, inventory. MOND, mound. DUMD, doomed. Ashamed. Now we have old, older, yield, held. Now we have fold, field, failed. Wild, gold, killed. Filled, child. We have done. Oh no, we have not completed the lesson. There are more pages. Hold, sold, cold, colder, and sealed, appealed. Now we have days and month. Do them as many times as possible so that you have carbon copy in your mind of all these. Sunday, Monday, and January, February. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now we have entire, copy, stock, stand, allow, draft. Now we have refer, reference, remit, remittance, suggest, attention, acknowledge, attention, individual, suggest, suggestion, remit, remittance, refer, reference, receipt, enable, enable, invoice, industry, oblige. We have completed this lesson. We will do the next lesson in the next video. You are watching videos made by Saurabh Tripathi. Please like and subscribe the channel if you find the content useful.